Hi everybody, this is Andrew, the Director of Sales and Market Development of Autonion Paint Masters Division of Autonion Sdn Bhd here in Malaysia. Basically what we do here in Autonion is that we paint exquisite cars, beautiful cars which are work of art of what we do here in Autonion. And what we do here in Malaysia is basically we paint beautiful cars. We turn your daily rides into works of art. And in Autonion, we have 3 core values where we look into the professionalism, the quality of the job, and the affordability. So everyone can come over to our shop and get their cars turned into works of art. And here in Autonion, we are introducing breaking edge technology where we have infrared and UV light to cure the paint. We will have it ready within this couple of months. And going forward, we will be looking forward to work on your cars and hopefully be able to be of service to you one day. And we can turn your cars into masterpieces like those we have behind me today. This is my 1992 Mazda Miata MX-5 NA Unos Roadster. Basically, as you can see here, it's in a brilliant shade of diamond red. 12 layers of paint has gone into this car from its previous stock standard red. And here, the specialty about this color is that you can see that there are shadows and the depth of the color differs from your usual red. This has been beautifully done at Autonion Paint Masters, where not many shops here can replicate this effect on a paint, especially on body of a car, and in consistent manner, where you can see the shine across the car is uniform. And our specialty is we can make it in a mirror finish. Just now you heard about my Mazda Miata, which has been painted about a year ago. And now moving on to my partner's car that is painted in a similar shade of diamond red, or here we call it locally candy red, which has been painted for about 5 years. As you can see, our paints do not fade and still retains the shininess of the new paint. This is something which is very difficult to be replicated by any other shop here, due to the fact of the technology we use and the 3 core values which Autonion Paint Masters abides by, which is professionalism, quality, and affordability. Thank you.